Obi tries to conquer Zombie Duck. Wait, let me fix this so it won't make that stupid noise. Ow! See, this is Zombie Duck. His brains are— Ow! God! You sharp little nose. You need your nose cut. Like, let go of him! No! You can't have him! Oh my god, Obi, if you tear Zombie Duck, I will just die. You cannot have Zombie Duck. I want Zombie Duck. You can have Zombie Duck. Ha ha! No Zombie Duck for you! No Zombie Duck for you! You don't get Zombie Duck! Ha ha! You don't get Zombie Duck. Ha ha! Ah! Ew! Ah! Ow! Obi, you should like join the circus. That'd be great. You could totally be like an acrobat. Oh, look at the cute little fuzzy wuzzy. Okay. Oh shit. Zombie Duck!